Good morning, students. We are doing factorization, chapter number 5th. Let's discuss some different type of questions based on factorization. This is the next exercise. Now, first of all, what I have told you earlier also in the beginning of this chapter, that whenever you have to factorize, first of all, your first step is to check how many terms are there. So if we check here, terms are 1, this term is 1, in between minus sign, so this is the second term. Now you have checked there are 2 terms. Now you have to check, is there anything common in between these 2 terms? No, as we can see, there is 25, there is 9, there is nothing common between 25 and 9. Here the variable is a square, here variable is b, the power is 2. So we have 2 terms in this question and nothing is common in between these 2 questions. Now whenever we have 2 terms like this and there is negative sign, here is square, now try to write these 2 terms in the square form. Square form means, can you write 25 in the square form? Yes, we can write. First of all, let's write down the statement again. 25a square minus 9b square. Now we will write 25 and 9 in the form of squares. 25 can be written as 5 square, a square as it is. 9 can be written as 3 square, b square. Now in the first term we have 2 terms getting multiplied and they are having squares. So I am writing one common square for both these 2 terms, 5a into 5a whole square. Similarly here also 3 and b both have squares, so 3b whole square. Now I have told you one formula. If we have numbers like x square minus y square, so we can write x square minus y square as x plus y into x minus y, or a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, what is a here? This term is our a and this term is our b. A square minus b square. So we can write here the formula a plus b into a minus b, because this is a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b is the answer. Very easy question. First of all, we have written these numbers also in the square form, then their common square. Then we have applied the formula a square minus b square. You can say x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. This is the answer. Let's solve one more question. Here, see, the statement is 25 into, first of all see how many terms are there. ये सारी एक टर्म है, माइनस इन बिटवीन, दिस इज द सेकेंड टर्म. Now you see anything common between 25 and 81? No, nothing is common, and here also nothing is common. So I am writing the statement again, 25 into 2 minus a square minus 81 b square. Now we will see ये जो numbers है can be written in the square form. Yes, this 25 can be written as 5 square. This is the same. '81 can be written as 9 square. This is same b square. Now like I have done in the last question, ये 5 के ऊपर भी स्क्वायर है, this bracket also have square. तो 5 into this bracket, अब इनका एक कॉमन स्क्वायर लिख देती हूँ स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में. Similarly this 9 into b, one common square. अब ये ब्रैकेट में स्क्वायर बाद रहने दो, मल्टीप्लाई दिस 5 into 2 10a minus 5b whole square minus 9b whole square. Now in this bracket this whole term is our a, this is b, so this a square minus b square, again we can write this is a I am writing in the bracket a plus b, this is whole a. Now a ये पूरी हमारी a है, ये दोनों टर्म्स मिलके a बना रही हैं, a minus b. So now open this 10a minus 5, बेटा ये 9b को इस ब्रैकेट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई मत कर देना, यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है, so plus 9b. Similarly 10a minus 5b minus 9b. Now let's combine the like terms. Like terms means which have the same variable. This minus 5b plus 9b. So 9b minus 5b will be plus 4b. Here 10a 9 minus 5b minus 9b, it will be minus 14b. Now in these brackets, now you check anything is common between these two terms. इस ब्रैकेट से 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, 2 कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस ब्रैकेट, इनसाइड व्हाट इज लाइक 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Here also in this bracket we can take 2 common, what is left 5a minus 2 7s are 14. Now these all 4 terms are getting multiplied, so 2 can be multiplied with 2, answer will be 2 into 2 4 inside the bracket, 5a plus 2b into 5a minus 7b is the answer. See the questions once again. 25 2a minus b whole square minus 81b whole square, दो टर्म्स हैं, तो सबसे पहले आपने चेक करना है is there anything common, nothing common. Now see, whenever you have two terms और square form में है, see can these terms also can be written as square form? Yes. If we have squares, so we can take a common square for these two. So 5 multiply 2a minus b whole square minus 9b whole square. Now multiply this inside the bracket, square will be outside. Now this is our a, this is the b, a plus b, a minus b, open these brackets and solve your question, you will get the answer. Now let's solve one more question. Here a square minus 2a plus 3b whole square, we have टू टर्म्स, ये एक टर्म है, ये पूरी दो सेकेंड टर्म है, बीच में नेगेटिव साइन है, तो देयर इज नथिंग कॉमन, सो वी विल राइट ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2a प्लस 3b होल स्क्वायर. सो ये ए स्क्वायर माइनस दिस होल टर्म ब्रैकेट इज b, सो वी विल बेटा राइट ए प्लस, जब भी आपकी a या b में दो टर्म्स है तो ट्राई टू राइट दोज इन ब्रैकेट. दिस इज a प्लस b, b में दो टर्म्स हैं तो ब्रैकेट में लिखो इसको a, दिस इज a, दिस इज b. a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर मीन्स a प्लस b इंटू a, अगेन ब्रैकेट में b आएगा, a माइनस b. ये हमारी a है, ये सारी b है, b में दो टर्म्स है तो हम इनको ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स, डोंट मल्टीप्लाई a इंटू 2 है, यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है इन बिटवीन, a प्लस 2a प्लस 3b, ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट, outside the bracket there is negative sign, so signs will get changed. Now combine the like terms. Like terms means like a plus 2a, 3a plus 3b. Here a minus 2a plus a है minus 2 है, so minus a इनको solve करोगे तो you will get minus a minus 3b as it is. Now whenever we get two brackets, now again we have to see is there anything common from these two terms. 3 is common, a plus b. Minus minus common here, can I write it as minus 1? इसमें minus 1 common है. a minus जब outside लिया तो inside plus हो गया. Now 3 into minus 1, these brackets as it is, this is minus 3 into a plus b into a plus 3b. This is the answer. So this was one question. Now let's solve one last question. 50a cube minus 2a. Now you see here are two terms, 1, 2. Now this is confirmed that there are two terms in this question. Now next step will be to see whether there is anything common in between these two terms. Yes, 50 और 2 में क्या common है? 2 I have taken outside. A cube and a, तो 1 will be outside. 2 into 25, 50 में से 2 common बाहर लिया तो inside what is left? 25. 1a we have taken outside. Inside what is left? 25 a square. ये 2a is taken outside, ये 2a बाहर ले लिया तो what is left inside? Only minus 1. So now I am solving this separately. 25a, now 25a square minus 1. अब आप दोबारा देखो, again we have got two terms. So 25 and 1. Can we write these in square forms? Yes. 25 can be written as 5 square a square. This 1 can be written as 1 square. Now I am writing 5 square a square as 5a whole square minus 1 whole square. Now again this is a square minus b square. This can be written as a, ये a हो गया, plus b. This is again a minus b. तो इस टर्म को सॉल्व करके this one ये वाला सेपरेट सॉल्व की तो we have got this. So answer will be this 2a मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा था साथ में, 2a into 5a plus 1 into 5a minus 1. What I have done? First of all, there were two terms. Whatever is common I have taken outside. Now this is again having two terms and these can be written in the square form. तो मैंने इसको पहले separately solve कर लिया. I have got this. तो इसके साथ 2a multiplied. So this was another type of factorization.